Imagine walking out to your car, turning the key, and watching warning lights pop up like your dashboard is throwing a tantrum. Maybe your engine suddenly feels rough, your windows are acting like they have their own personality, or your sunroof refuses to cooperate no matter how many times you press the button. You're here because you want answers that don't involve draining your bank account, and by the time you finish listening, you're going to learn reset techniques that many owners never even realize exist. These are the exact kinds of procedures that can restore performance, smooth out weird electronic behavior, and potentially save you from repair bills that feel completely unnecessary. Stick with me because every section builds on the last, and by the end, you'll understand how your car can quietly fix itself with the right steps. Modern vehicles, especially models produced by Volkswagen, are essentially networks of computers working together. Inside your car are control modules responsible for throttle response, climate comfort, window operation, transmission shifting, and even how your steering communicates with stability systems. Over time, these modules collect data and adapt to your driving style and environmental conditions. That sounds helpful, but those adaptations can drift or glitch. When that happens, the vehicle behaves strangely even when nothing is physically broken. That's why resets exist. They give those modules a chance to relearn proper behavior from scratch. Let's begin with one of the most impactful resets you can perform, especially if your vehicle feels hesitant, rough at idle, or throws engine-related warnings. The throttle system controls how air enters your engine. As the car ages, deposits slowly collect around internal components. The vehicle's computer tries to compensate by adjusting airflow behavior. Sometimes it overcorrects, leading to sluggish acceleration or unstable idle. The reset process essentially wipes the incorrect learned values and allows the system to recalibrate. To perform this, the engine must first reach full operating temperature. This ensures the reset reflects real driving conditions. Shut the engine down completely and remove the key or power source. Disconnect the negative battery cable for precisely half a minute. Timing matters because this window clears adaptive memory without erasing essential system data. While the battery is disconnected, press the brake pedal repeatedly several times to drain leftover electrical charge in the system. Once finished, reconnect the battery and place the ignition into the accessory or on position without starting the engine. Allow the dashboard to illuminate, then switch the ignition off. Repeat that sequence several times before starting the engine. When you finally start it, let the car idle untouched for several minutes. During this period, the system is recalculating airflow and idle settings. When you begin driving afterward, keep acceleration gentle and movement smooth. That calm driving teaches the system proper throttle behavior again. Another common frustration owners experience involves windows or sunroofs behaving unpredictably. Sometimes windows move slower than usual, stop halfway, or fail to respond to one-touch commands. Sunroofs may tilt awkwardly or refuse to seal properly. These problems often originate from lost calibration rather than broken hardware. These systems include safety features that detect resistance, preventing injury if something blocks movement. When calibration is lost, the system can falsely interpret normal resistance as an obstruction. To restore correct operation, turn the ignition on without starting the engine. Starting with the driver's window, raise it completely and continue holding the switch briefly after it reaches the top. Then lower it fully and again hold the switch for a moment after it reaches the bottom. Finish by raising it once more and holding longer to confirm calibration. Repeat the process for every window. For sunroofs, close it completely and hold the closing control longer than usual. The system may move through several small adjustment cycles. Afterward, open it fully and hold the open control similarly. This allows the system to relearn exact position limits and restores smooth, reliable operation. Steering behavior can also fall victim to electronic confusion, especially after wheel alignments, tire changes, or suspension adjustments. Many drivers notice their steering wheel appears slightly off-center, or traction control lights activate unexpectedly. The steering angle sensor constantly measures wheel position and feeds information to stability and safety systems. When that sensor loses its reference point, the car may react incorrectly even if alignment is perfect. To recalibrate this sensor, begin with the vehicle running on a level surface. Turn the steering wheel completely to one side and hold it momentarily. Then turn it fully in the opposite direction and pause again. Return the wheel to a centered position with the wheels pointed straight ahead. Turn off the engine, then switch the ignition back on without starting. Wait briefly while the vehicle performs its internal checks. When the engine is restarted and the car is driven normally, the sensor recognizes the corrected center point and restores proper stability coordination. Temperature control inside the cabin is another area where small calibration errors create big discomfort. You might experience air blowing warm on one side and cold on the other, or notice fan speeds fluctuating randomly. These systems rely on small internal doors that direct airflow through heating or cooling elements. Tiny electric motors position those doors. Over time, they can lose track of their correct positions. Resetting this involves turning the vehicle off and pressing specific climate control buttons simultaneously for several seconds until the display signals recalibration mode. Turning the ignition on allows the system to cycle every airflow door through its full movement range. You might hear clicking or faint mechanical sounds behind the dashboard. That is the system relearning every airflow path. Once it finishes, starting the engine and leaving climate settings untouched for several minutes allows the system to finalize temperature balance. This procedure frequently resolves uneven cooling or heating without requiring any mechanical replacement. Transmission behavior is one of the most noticeable areas where electronic learning affects driving feel. Modern automatic transmissions constantly adapt to driver habits and wear patterns inside clutch assemblies. Over time, these adaptations can cause delayed shifts, jerky gear changes, or hesitation when accelerating. While serious mechanical wear does exist, many transmission complaints originate from corrupted or exaggerated adaptive values. Before attempting a reset, fluid condition and level must be correct. Once confirmed, drive the car long enough to reach full operating temperature. Park with the engine running and cycle through every gear slowly, allowing the system to recognize each selection. Shut off the engine and wait a full minute to allow all transmission modules to power down completely. Restart the engine and allow it to idle quietly for several minutes. When driving again, follow a consistent pattern of smooth acceleration and steady cruising. The transmission monitors throttle input and vehicle speed to relearn optimal shift timing. Over the next 20 minutes of varied but gentle driving, the system reconstructs shift logic, often restoring smooth operation. Electronic parking brakes represent another example of advanced technology simplifying driver convenience while introducing calibration requirements. Unlike traditional handbrakes, these systems use electric motors to engage brake calipers. As brake pads wear, the system must adjust automatically. If it fails to recalibrate, drivers may hear grinding noises or see warning indicators. Maintenance recalibration usually involves running the engine while holding the parking brake control for an extended moment. Some models also require pumping the brake pedal simultaneously. During this process, the motors extend and retract to measure pad clearance and establish new engagement points. Once completed, normal operation should feel smoother and quieter. Performing this periodically keeps the system synchronized with brake wear and helps avoid expensive actuator replacements. The bigger picture behind all of these resets reveals an important truth about modern automotive engineering. Vehicles today are deeply dependent on software logic. The same intelligence that allows them to adjust performance and comfort automatically also means they can accumulate incorrect data. Many diagnostic results originate from diagnostic results that highlight symptoms rather than root causes. Resetting adaptive systems allows technicians and owners alike to confirm whether problems stem from software confusion or physical failure. It's important to remain realistic about limitations. Resets cannot repair worn mechanical components or damaged electrical wiring. They serve as a first diagnostic step, clearing corrupted learned values and restoring factory reference points. When successful, they eliminate false symptoms that mimic serious mechanical issues. When unsuccessful, they help confirm that further mechanical inspection is necessary. Understanding these resets empowers owners to approach vehicle problems with confidence rather than panic. Instead of assuming every warning light signals catastrophic failure, you gain the ability to test whether the issue is simply a confused module trying to compensate incorrectly. That knowledge transforms how you interact with your vehicle and can dramatically reduce unnecessary repair costs. The fascinating part about these procedures is how closely they mirror troubleshooting techniques used with everyday technology. When a smartphone freezes or a computer program misbehaves, restarting often resolves the issue. Vehicles follow the same principle just across dozens of interconnected systems. Each reset is essentially a controlled reboot combined with relearning cycles designed by engineers. Drivers who take the time to perform these recalibrations often notice improvements not only in performance, but also in fuel efficiency, ride comfort, and overall drivability. The vehicle feels smoother because systems are working with accurate baseline data instead of distorted adaptive corrections. It's like giving the car a fresh memory of how it was designed to operate. Sharing this knowledge among owners helps create a more informed driving community. When people understand how electronic adaptations influence behavior, they can make smarter decisions about maintenance and repairs. That awareness reduces frustration, lowers unnecessary expenses, and encourages preventative care that extends vehicle lifespan. If you ever encounter strange behavior in your vehicle again, remember that these resets exist as built-in recovery tools. They were created by engineers to maintain reliability in complex systems. Taking a few minutes to perform them can often transform a frustrating driving experience into one that feels smooth and predictable again. And sometimes the simplest solutions end up being the most powerful ones, quietly restoring performance without replacing a single part.